Okay, this is how my dog waits for their food, and you see their reaction, how they move. See the speed. Gunning for who will get to the cage first. Getting ready to take their meal. Just watch. See their speed. How they push. Who will get to this place first? See that? You see, it's always good to observe your dogs, feed them well, keep them in a very clean environment, and also maintain their mental stimulation. Okay? Now they are waiting for their food to arrive while I walk up to them. The babu will always get first into his cage. He already knows where and how the proceedings go. But you see these ones, the pit bulls, that is COVID. And the other white one, that is Snipper, the mother of 6. I'm gonna post on the next video the beauty of nature and how Snipper gave birth to her puppies. You see now they are waiting. I'm almost there.
Go inside. Go in. Go inside. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Sniper, sit. Sit. Good girl. What do you need? Wait. Wait. I eat. Good boy. This is our normal routine feeding these dogs. It's good to make sure that your dog eats healthy and also live in a healthy environment. To rear dogs is really a thing of joy for those who love dogs, okay? But in Nigeria today, dogs go easy. Nandi and the leaders go economy mother. But that is what the love for dogs can do for you. It brings so much joy, their companionship, and also their being present gives a sense of security within your neighborhood, because knowledge you go to Nigeria, people can boggle just to carry your pot of food. But these dogs, they can protect that for you. If that is violated, it's good to keep them.